This is Ground Media UG.
لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. Kukiseera kino Speaker wa Parliament yakusaba bw'abatakoonyeeko sigala wano nange okujjako abo abakooneddwako. Oyinza okukoma ku mulyango ndakusaba batebakoonyeeko stay sigala wooli inshallah. Right Honorable Speaker, these are the Misbahudin who are his lead team and core who hold fort with him always. Every once a month we sit in this sitting room and do prayers with him. In the last 3 years we've lost about 7 people who have been sitting with us here, and now is the 7th. But we are firm that it's God who wills, and Allah says if He wishes, none of us. Right Honorable Speaker, you have my uncles, paternal uncles, you have my family, this Professor Gerard Mutumba, watu waita Taata. Taata Mutumba naye waali, omulala waali wano. My wife is also here. By Baba Nasifa, Baba Nanteke, all these are my sisters. My brothers are still outside preparing, and you'll also see them. But since it's the women that lead these days, we have no doubt. Right Honorable Speaker, that's Council Sauda, whom I follow closely, Nasimbwa, my elder sister, Nanteke there, Mastura, Farida, all of them here. If I'm introducing them by name, actually, all must say Salaam Alaikum in chorus. And Haji's apparent last born is this one. You can come, Hawa. She's our last born. Hawa. She's the baby of our Haji. She's my baby sister. She's my baby sister here. But the rest are younger than me a bit. They are not old, but we relate well. But the senior most is Nanteke there. Then we have our mothers. Our mothers are also present. Mama Mwinara Luano, Motore Salam, Mama Musa, Mama Skaye, Mama Kajansi, obwongo buno naye mmanyi bwena wemuli bamaama. Mutuule salaamu wemuli. So when you look at that lady there, immediately my mom, and you look at my late mom, I think you pick a resemblance. Yes. Now that one comes second after my uncle here. This is my uncle who gave my mom to my late dad. Uncle Sulaiman Biti is here, and Mama Skadi is there, and the sisters of my late dad, and Hawa is there. Your name is from her there, and others are still on their way. But I also have my brothers. There are many. Some are here, Baba Stuka. Some are traveling and arriving tonight. Of course, I have a brother who has one eye, but he prefers to sit down. I don't know why he's relegating himself from other orphanages. Right Honorable Speaker, Commissioner Afoyochan is also here, and the Honorable Wetombola is here, but there is also Honorable Kawadia is seated outside. The history Honorable Wetombola has is that when her late mom was in ICU during COVID time, at the same time Alhaji was also in high dependent. So Alhaji's team was attending to her late mom, and that's how they knew that her mom had passed on during that tough period. So Alhaji used to go with Medi, who is in UK now, and pick up the food for her late mom and take twice, because no one would enter during that tough period. Thank you for not forgetting and for standing with us. There are very many people that worked with Alhaji in Radio Uganda, UBC, where he served, I think, from 1972 to about 1997. Then he joined and became the first speaker of KCCA. When this position of speakership was introduced, he was elected as a councillor and became the speaker under the late John Sewana Kizito. And he chaired the organization of speakers. He was the chairperson of the Speakers Association, Local Government Association of Uganda for quite a long time, until he was appointed RDC of Chenjojo when he retired. He didn't contest again at the request of the president, and he was appointed RDC. He was retired as RDC and deployed again to UBC as a director, a position he served until his contract expired, and he retired gracefully. He has been living at home and doing consultancy. So he was a journalist by profession and by training. He went to Senator Damal Vandal Primary School, which is Bat Valley Primary School. He was born in Kampala, and then later to Chibuli Senior Secondary School, where he also advanced to UMI. He was part of the Ghana Management Institute's alumni, and also went to Azhar University in Egypt, where he graduated and performed very well. As a journalist, he performed with accolades and served his nation through different regimes, from Right Honorable Speaker, this is our son, Liam Rahim, Nsereko, a grandson, and there are many grandchildren. You can say salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum, everyone.
So go on, you and greet the Right Honorable Speaker. That's the acting last born, is not the last born. Right Honorable Speaker, there are different families that associate under the Misbah-uddin of Nakuru. That Nakuru team where there was Dr. Chikuru, Alhadina Santeke Sevakala, the late, that team is all here, well represented. That's why they are here. And Murambira Kasim Nachibinge has already confirmed that prayers for Alhad will be held tomorrow at Chibuli Mosque. whereafter we shall proceed here to Bulika Nama, after Nama Ojoro. Ginger Road is a few minutes from Ginger Road. It takes a few minutes for you to get to the burial site. Right, Honorable Speaker, without wasting your time, because you have to chair, this is Mama, senior Mama. When I say our uncle, the senior Mama on Mama's side. Alhaj Sheikh Ruwanda there is his confidant, as many sheikhs. OHT1 is the Robert Consuel. Worked with Alhaj for a long time as the presidential advisor on the issues of Uganda. We recognize you, sir. We recognize your distinguished work. Mr. Wamagana is from the Council of Elders of the National Resistance Movement in Kampala. And is also seated here. He worked with Alhaj. Muzei Kagwa Kafero is also struggling with cancer, but is doing very well. He lived and worked with Alhaj. Professor Gerard Mutumba is our uncle, is our blood. In our blood we have Christians and we have Muslims coming from the same group, and we all coexist very well. Is our uncle, paternal uncle, and the Deputy Supreme Card of Kampala, who deputizes Sheikh Ruswali. Yes, Sheikh Sekar, the office of the Supreme Mufti, is also here. Right, Honorable Speaker, we only have to thank you. You know Alhaj in person, and you're a friend of this family. Thank you for coming, and thank you for associating with us during this time of grief. When our parents passed on, I was there, and you are also here. For sure, we need nothing from you. All we need is your companionship, and you've shown it. Your friendship, and really honoring your speaker from your speaker's alumni. For me, it's the pride he would have looked for. Alhaj didn't want a lot in life. Panado knows. He always told him, Panado for me, and small is enough. And we are proud that you're here. We really, really, really are proud of you. As a family, you're here as a friend to the family, but as also the speaker, the number 3 of this country. And we appreciate it. Yeah, so right, Honorable Speaker, if you want to say something, you will say it to us in confidence anytime, but I would like to take you through to the public to share your words with them. Ajati, right, Honorable Speaker, Anita, ANNET, Agogo, Taata Kayongo, Taata Gerard, nsaba batata abasigaddewo musitukeko. Taata Mutumba, uno wali alaikum salam, is his younger brother. Taata Kayongo is also there, is also his younger brother. Bano, they were surviving. Ne muzeyi batte oli akula naye bwe basoma.